friend, welcome back to GRUDA Hair Factory YouTube channel. My name is Rosa, sales staff of GRUDA Hair, and today I will help you distinguish difference between virgin hair and Remy hair. So are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start with virgin hair. Hair that never been chemical treated in any form, include dyeing, bleaching or perming, is considered virgin hair. Because of this, individuals who wish to dye hair trendy hue like white, blonde or pink will find virgin hair to be infinite option. In order to ensure that the cuticle of the hair remain intact and always face the same direction, virgin hair is often gathered from single donor. As research, virgin hair commands the highest price. Vietnamese hair is one of the best virgin hair sources. Moving on to Remy hair. Despite reputation as virgin hair, most Remy hair has been chemical treated and colored. Considering its great quality and low cost, Remy hair extensions have quickly become the industry standard for human hair extension. However, Remy hair is taken from more than one donor, maybe from 2 or 3 donors or more. But Remy hair also brings good quality because it has been carefully gathered from healthy donors. If the processing done correctly, it may be reduce tangle in hair to minimum. If you have any question related to our topic today, please give me a comment or contact us via WhatsApp. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.